Hey guys, Bombata from fxsabersforum and iraforum. Thought I would just show off a couple of free Saber fonts that I picked up. They were made by Link. One is Nicole 2.0 and the other one is the Predator font, and these sound absolutely awesome, and anyone that hasn't got them yet, I would suggest picking them up. That was the Nicole font.
Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper!
And obviously this is the Predator font.
Want some candy? Want some candy?
See, as you can see guys, those fonts sound absolutely awesome, extremely loud coming through this hero hilt, and yeah, I suggest anyone should pick them up. By the way, this is just running on the CF 6.1, and there's even more that will be played through the CF 7, so anyone that's got that, definitely get these two fonts from Link.